What are you doing today?
This is my new notebook. So, and we're gonna see if it goes that fast.
Elite 2.0.
Okay, this is the gun. See how you load it. Okay, so this is the gun. Okay, so see how you get the mag out. And then, hold on, let me get something. So, we also have this gun, but we're gonna see if this scope fits on here. Wait. What is it doing? Okay.
Oh, it says it's a 4-in-1, so you can make 4 different guns. Like you can make a bigger gun, a smaller gun.
Let me see what you want to say.
Why don't you just load it and show them how it shoots, and then we can figure it all out.
Okay. So I can't. You need the mag out. Okay, this mag, and then we're gonna get the bullets out. Easy. We don't need the scissors.
Okay. Hold on, you want me to help you?
So, try to get the bullets open. Okay. Get this.
You could have taken your other bullets, right?
No bullets. Okay. I'm gonna get all the bullets out. Okay, I'll just take one. Where's the mag? Give me the mag. Okay. Mag. It says put it on this one. It's gonna take a long time, but a long piece. Okay. Now there's no more orange dot, but we don't need those. We're gonna put this in. Does it go? Yep, it goes this way.
Holy moly.
Okay, so that's how far it shoots. Now, we're going to see if we can turn it into the little gun.
Why don't we do that another?